How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be taking a look at changing the headlight bulb in this 2007 Honda VTX 1800. I believe changing these headlamps out is the same for any of the other Hondas. So basically, light bulb is burned out. We're going to be taking a look at that today. I found that out, unfortunately, when I was coming home at nighttime. So after the sun went down, I still had about 12 miles to go and I had no headlight at all. So that was quite interesting to do. And so we're going to be swapping it out with this brand new light bulb here. It's BP 1260 H4N. This should work just fine. And of course you're going to make sure that it has the high and low setting on there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Only tools you're really going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. There's 3 screws, one underneath, one there, and then of course one right there as well that you're going to have to take out, and then the whole thing just kind of pops out. So stick around. This should only take about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes to do. So it's a quick job, easy to do yourself. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by taking out all the screws. Like I say, we'll start with this one underneath if I can find it. Okay. That's one. Then we got the 2 on the inside that we're going to do as well. Take that one out. Take the next one out right there. Make sure you're holding on to this so that it doesn't just pop out and fall apart on you. Okay. So as you notice, I'm pulling it out. There's a little piece right here that's going to set back into that hole when you go to put this thing back together. So you'll set it down and then up, and it just kind of works like a little hinge. So once you got that out, this is where it plugs into. All it is a little mount. I might be able to get this without a flathead screwdriver. You just got to carefully work it out. If I can get it out. Okay, there we go. We'll just leave that the way it is. So the next thing that's going to happen is this piece right here, this black rubber, it's going to come out. So just try to lift that off, just like that. And then it's going to be held down by a little spring-loaded clip right here. So we'll go ahead and push that down. We're going to come back up, and that will free up our light bulb. As you can see, it's burnt out, so we're going to be swapping that with a brand new light bulb. So once you get that all taken care of, what you'll do is you'll take your new light bulb and you're going to set that back in where it needs to go. These prongs are going to go just like that, and it's going to sit just like that right there. Okay, once you got that done, go ahead and take this clip, put it back over the light bulb, down and under that little piece right there, and then that part's good. Next we're going to reinstall the top piece. So this piece where it says top is going to go on the top, and it's just going to slide right on just like that, or at least it should. There you go. Alrighty. So next thing you want to do is you're going to have to plug it in. Obviously single prong is at the top, 2 at the side, so that's what we're going to be looking for right here. So go ahead and plug that in nice and secure. Alrighty, and that's how you do that. So next, we're going to go ahead and put this thing back together. Since we're not going to do anything else with it, I'll clean this thing out another day. I don't have time to today. So, like I say, this little piece right here, it's a little square nub. You're going to hook that right into this one, and it's going to set right there. Then you're just going to raise it up, just like that, and it should sit just perfectly fine. Okay. Then of course the next thing that you want to do is take your screws. Your screws look like that. You're going to put the screws back exactly where they came out. There is 3 of them. So I'm going to try to hand start them just to get them all secured. Alrighty. I don't necessarily think you have to Loctite these. These didn't have any Loctite on them when I took them off, so you shouldn't have to worry about that at all whatsoever. But you can always put just a little dab, because that never hurts any. Make sure that's all back where it needs to be. We'll go ahead and tighten these screws back up. I wish I had like a smaller screwdriver. That I feel as though that would be way easier for this. Which I might just take a small one and go back over them, since I can't get this one in there all the way. Okay. Alrighty. Everything's tightened back down. So we'll go ahead, turn the key, and see if it comes on. Alright, so we got the headlamp put back together in the last part. I had to redo the entire next part of this video because the trains in this town are so ridiculously loud. Like, they just blow and wail on their horns at both the crossings, and I'm in between them both. So instead of you guys having to fight over the noise to hear me, I figured I'd just redo it. So let's go ahead and turn the ignition key and see if this light comes on, which it should. And there we go. So that is how you easily replace the headlight bulb in your Honda VTX motorcycle. It's a quick, easy little thing to do. You don't have to pay anybody. You can easily do this yourself. Anybody can. And so that's about all I got. If you guys do find this video, helpful, do leave a like on it. I appreciate it. And it also lets me know, hey, maybe I should keep doing, little videos like this where I'm just kind of out here in the garage doing stuff. So I think that's about all I got for you guys here today. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off, put it back where it needs to go, and I think I'm going to call it a day. Hope you folks enjoyed the video. If you did, do leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.